tourists visit the city of Anaheim, they head straight to Disneyland. What they often miss is that just a short distance away lies an iconic landmark that's a vibrant hub for food, culture, and history. I'm Jon Perez with American Dream TV, and I'm thrilled to show you the Anaheim Packing House and a bonus feature with spectacular city lights view. All right, I'm here to meet Devon, the marketing director of Anaheim Packing District. She's gonna give us a little tour and share some fun facts about the packing house that you might not find on your own. Hey, Devon, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Well, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Thank you so much for having us. Yeah, definitely, let's go talk about your amazing Anaheim Packing House.
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
The Anaheim Packing House is originally a 1919 citrus packaging facility. This building has been here for over 100 years.
Wow.
And originally was the Anaheim Lemon and Orange Association, and they were actually packaging oranges that were harvested right here when this was all orange groves before it was all industrialized. Fast forward to today, it is now Orange County's original food hall. We opened about 10 years ago. We opened on May 31st of 2014, and so we just celebrated our 10th anniversary.
Congratulations.
So yeah, so when you come here now, instead of finding people packaging oranges into beautiful shipping containers to go around the world,
right,
you'll find an assortment of different kinds of food from around the world. Pretty much anywhere around the world, if you think of it, we have it here.
All right, I'm here at Georgia's for some Southern food, which I heard is so delicious. So we're gonna meet Nika, the owner. How you doing?
I'm good. Thank you so very much.
Yeah, tell us a little bit about Georgia's.
Well, George's is a place that we named for my father. My father's name is George, and there's 3 of us daughters. So I'm second born, so they took the I from my name, the A from my youngest sister, and the S from my oldest sister.
Aww.
And this is a restaurant that's really out of the love of my father and my mom. They were high school sweethearts, and my mom used to cater out of our home when I was a child. And my father used to get up with my mom and be her sous chef. The unique part of this was that while my mom was catering when we were young, my mom started doing the weddings of all of the kids in the town. And when that happened, people started asking her if she could make like things like jambalaya, gumbo, and all of those Southern items.
Right.
And my mom was Creole inspired. So that's why you'll see on our menu, we have a lot of Creole items. One of the recipes that I have to say is dear to my heart is one that is my father's actual favorite. It's our Louisiana tilapia and shrimp. My dad loved tomato sauce, and so you'll see that comes through in my mom's jambalaya, because we named it Gretchen's Jambalaya.
Yeah.
And then in the Louisiana tilapia and shrimp, it's got a wonderful homemade taste that is just nostalgic for me in memories of my father, because he loved it so much. Right here is our chicken and waffle. One thing that's unique to this is that we have our own signature fried chicken. So our chicken is brined for 12 hours overnight with a Brazilian brine. And then we dredge it through buttermilk and coat it with my grandmother's favorite coating of cornmeal, cornstarch, and flour.
Ooh.
So it is moist in every bite. It is really, really fun. And then this is Gretchen's Jambalaya, named after my mom. And it is absolutely delicious.
Nika, thank you so much. You have amazing food. I'm going to give you some love.
Thank you. Oh, appreciate it.
Georgia's. And you must be Josh.
Jon, yeah, absolutely. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. I'm super excited about this place. And
I'm glad you're here. It's an awesome bar, great personality, inside the packing house. You know, the intimate kind of feel, the whole deal is super cool. It's a combination of the Blind Rabbit, the speakeasy here at the packing house, Hammer Bar upstairs, which is more of the, you know, craft cocktail, but like volume, speed craft cocktail. This is a combination of all those things. It's an intimate space where you get some great cocktails, or a Miller High Life. You know what I mean? It's a spot for everyone.
All right, so what do we got here?
So, John, I think I'm gonna get you a Lost Luggage here. It's a mezcal cocktail. Make it with a pineapple and a house-made lemongrass coconut liqueur. It's delicious. It's bright. It's hot outside right now. It's gonna be nice and refreshing. It's a good one. Enjoy Lost Luggage here.
Lost Luggage. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, smokiness of the mezcal is kind of brought down.
Is that bitters, the tiki bitters that gives it that?
Yeah, it's very, very nice.
Well, you guys have an amazing establishment here, amazing cocktails. Yeah, kudos to you guys.
I appreciate it, man.
When most people talk about Anaheim, they mention all the tourist spots. But even some of the locals here don't realize that Anaheim has an area called Anaheim Hills that has some of the best views in Orange County. This home is a prime example of breathtaking views. The next time you're visiting the Anaheim Resort, set your destination for the Anaheim Packing House, where history meets trendy spots. I'm Jon Perez, your guide to the best of Orange County. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on American Dream TV.